Laura with Soda TV, and I'm here to show you a few things to make your sleek straight look go into beachy waves. And I'm going to be using Kérastase beach spray. It's spray apporte. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 sections, and this is an easy look that you can probably achieve in like 5 minutes. So just one section out of the way, clip it up, and then we're going to take another one and clip it up. And I'm going to spray the beach spray. And it's really, this is so easy, there's no really rules, it's just an undone look. And you're just going to hold the beach waver, it's a deep waver. And you're just going to clamp, and I like just to hold it for like 5 seconds. And then I work my way down. Like that. When we're done, we're going to run our fingers through it and put some more beach spray in. So you take the other section down, spray. And you just go down and you try to just go to the next section that's straight. Literally like 5 seconds. Just make sure you get all the straight pieces. Work your way down. In the last section, whatever part you want, if you want a middle part, side part, just mist the spray. You don't really want to go all the way up to the root on the top section. You just kind of want it to look like kind of undone. So the bigger the section you take, the less uniform wave you're gonna get. So it's gonna be, like if you take a smaller section, you're gonna have a tighter wave. It's kind of give you the finger wave look. If you were to finger wave your hair and take it out. The last few straight sections. This is good on a day if you don't want to wash your hair the next day and you want to kind of look, you know, save your hair from washing it. So the last section, we're finishing up here. It's all probably under 5 minutes, such an easy look. So you just kind of want to run your hands through your hair, and we're going to polish off with the spray apporte, just to kind of give you that beachy look.